How to reset progress in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically reset your progress on Duolingo, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you basically have some type of language learning progresses on your Duolingo account and then you would like to reset the progress for your Duolingo account, it's actually very simple to do so. You just have to go to duolingo.com and then just click the more button here and then just go to this option called settings. Once you go to settings over here, you should be able to find all these sorts of details where you'll be able to find the option called courses. Right here you can see manage courses. When you go to manage courses, right here you can see courses and then you'll be able to see the language you're learning. If you'd like to reset the progress for it, you can click the reset button right next to it in order to reset your progress on Duolingo. That's all it takes to reset your Duolingo progress. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.